Hi, I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to cut angles on ceramic tile. The tools you'll need for this are a square, a pencil, tape measure, and cutting board. So the first thing that we'll do is we've already got the tile laid out on the floor and you're ready to start doing some of your cuts. So once you've got your floor laid out and the tile down there, what you do is you take your tape measure and you measure from the longest distance off the wall to the corner of where your spacer is and the 3 other tiles. Now you will get a measurement. It will vary depending on the size of the tile that you need, but this works for every tile. And so once you've got your measurement, let's say it's 8 inches, and we'll go ahead and grab a tile that we're ready to cut, and we're going to mark that tile. So you'll take your tape measure, put it on one of the corners, and you want to line it up so that your tape measure is basically going corner to corner. You measure out your 8 inches and make a mark. Once you've marked your 8 inches, we'll go ahead and take our square, and this particular square has a 45-degree angle on it. And we'll take that square, line it up with our measurement, and draw a line. Once you've got your line and the tile marked, we'll go to our cutting board and we'll put that line on both sides of the cutting board where our scoring wheel is going to hit them. Then we'll go ahead and score our tile. Once we've scored the tile, we're going to go ahead and break the tile with our cutting board. And then we'll take the tile and put it in place. Now, if everything has gone right and the walls are nice and straight and square, it will work out really good. However, if it's off a little bit, then you may have to cut another tile with your board, or if you have a tile saw, you can go ahead and trim the tile so that it fits exactly how you want it. I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and I've just given you some tips on how to cut angles on ceramic tile.